I sense someone coming. Quick, let's hide. There it is! Stay here. I'm going to make sure it's safe to go through. The coast is clear. Come on!
Newt! Is that you?
Gale! Am I glad to see you! I've brought a new friend to help defeat the Puppet Master!
So you got my letter. Where did you find this wizard? How powerful are they? Oh, where are my manners? I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Gale, the keeper of the academy. Well, I was. I don't know if I can call myself that anymore with what has happened. I suppose it's my fault that we are in this mess.
Don't blame yourself, Gale. It's not your fault.
Thank you, Newt. Actually, since you're here, there is something you could help me with, if you're up to the task.
Of course!
Good to hear. The Academy's archives contain valuable pages of information that wizards need to study. However, the Puppet Master has cast a powerful spell, mixing up all of the archive's rooms and making them a mess. I would go to retrieve the pages myself, but the mess and confusion makes my head spin. So, I need you to go down instead. Any pages you come across, please bring them back to the Academy's merchant. He will reward you in turn for your help. Oh, and one last thing. Here's an amulet that will let you warp into the Academy. Best of luck. I'm counting on you.
Alright, looks like it's up to us to investigate the archives. When you're ready, just click on the stairs.